Good day students, Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School welcome you all in our digital learning session. My dear students, in our previous video of this lesson number 15, a memorable ceremony, we already studied that Swaraj was to be established and it was firmly established. Then we also know that why Shivaji Maharaj selected Raigad as the capital of Swaraj. Children, we also studied about how Shivaji Maharaj made all the detailed preparations for the coronation. Now, today, let us continue our EVS 2 lesson number 15, a memorable ceremony. Children, this is our part 2. Pay attention, I will read it for you. The coronation ceremony. The coronation day dawned. It was indeed the most auspicious day. Musicians began to play on their instruments. Singers began to sing music, and singing filled the air. There was an atmosphere of joy everywhere. Shivaji Raje sat on a golden seat in full regalia. A canopy means chhatra and the fans means charmare were held over his head. There were priests, each one carrying vessels of ghee, dahi and honey. Gaga Bhatt himself carried a gold vessel filled with the waters of the 7 rivers Ganga, Sindhu, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna and Narmada and Kaveri and of the sea. Gaga Bhatt held the vessel over Shivaji's head and started reciting the coronation mantras. From 100 tiny holes in the vessel, water started dripping down on Shivaji's head. After ablution by the sacred waters, Shivaji Maharaj got up and bowed before Jijamata and touched her feet. Jijamata held him in close embrace. Her eyes were filled with tears of joy. Her 30 years' efforts had at last borne fruit. The dream she had nursed even before Shivaji's birth had at last come true. The tears in her eyes were tears of joy and fulfillment. Shivaji Maharaj was also deeply moved. Glory be to both of them. The coronation day dawned. It was a very special day, an auspicious day, children. What and how a coronation ceremony is done in some movies? Yes, you must have seen when the king was crowned. What was happening, children? You can picturize much things as similar to that wherein the musicians play on their instruments. You can see here in this picture, children. Singers began to sing and music and singing filled the whole place. The air was full of singing and music and the atmosphere was full of joy. Shivaji Raje. Now you can see here in this picture, children, Shivaji Maharaj sat on the golden seat, yes, which was prepared for him, and he was full of his ornaments and the crown over his head and everything, the garment and all was so beautiful that he had a beautiful appearance of a king. Now, then there was a priest, yes, and each one was carrying a vessel of ghee, dahi, that means curd and honey, and Gaga Bhatt, yes, the famous scholar whom we know was also present, and he himself carried a gold vessel filled with waters which was taken from the 7 rivers. Now they had gone to 7 different rivers to collect this water. Yes, children? Rivers like Ganga, Sindhu, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Kaveri, and of the sea. Now Gaga Bhatt was holding a vessel over Shivaji's head, and he started reciting the coronation mantras. Means he was start his prayers for the coronation. Now children, you can see here in this picture, from 100 tiny holes in the vessel, water started dripping down on Shivaji's head, and after ablution by the sacred waters, yes, children, ablution means an act of washing. Yes, now Shivaji was washed in that water of the sea and the 7 rivers. And Shivaji Maharaj, after finishing this ceremonial rite, he went down, yes, and bowed before his mother Jijamata and touched her feet. You can see here in this picture, children. Now Jijamata held Shivaji close and embraced him, and her eyes were filled with tears of joy, because her 30 years' efforts had at last come to success. Now she had dreamed, and she was nursing this dream of hers right from the time Shivaji's birth, and even before, and such a great dream had come true today. And so she had tears of joy and fulfillment in her eyes. Now Shivaji Maharaj was also deeply moved, and glory be to both of them. Such a great mother and such a great son, Shivaji Maharaj. Now pay attention, children. After meeting Ma Sahib, Shivaji Maharaj sat on the throne. Maharani Soirabai and the Crown Prince Sambhaji Raje sat next to him. His 8 ministers stood on either side. Gaga Bhatt held the canopy lined with gold and pearl tassels over his head and said, "Victory be to Shiva Chhatrapati, now crown king." The ornament of the race of warriors, everyone present followed suit and in one voice wished victory to Shivaji Maharaj. Guns were fired from fort after fort. The whole of Maharashtra echoed with one voice, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Shivaji's coronation took place in 1674. From that year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, the coronation calendar. He became a great king like those in whose name people start a new era. He struck his own coins. Some foreign envoys were present at the coronation. The English had sent their envoy Occident with valuable presents. Subjects from far off areas and places had also come to see this ceremony. The whole world came to know of the big event. Shivaji's fame spread everywhere. After Shivaji made Ma Sahib, that is Jizamata, his mother, he sat on the throne. You can see here in this picture, children, and his wife, Maharani Soirabai, and the crown prince Sambhaji Raje. He also sat next to him. Then there were 8 ministers who stood on either side of Shivaji. Gaga Bhatt, the scholar, yes, the priest, the chief priest, he held a canopy lined with gold and pearl tassels. Now, it was very well decorated. You can see here in this picture, children. And this was held over Shivaji's head. And he said, yes, he said, victory to be Shiva Chhatrapati, now crowned king. The ornament of the race of warriors. Children, now this was a great thing that was proclaimed, and everyone present there also echo the same thing. Children, here we can say Shiva Garjana in Marathi. I will say it for you. Praudha Pratap Purandar Kshatriya Kulavatans Sinhasanadhishwara Akhanda Lakshmi Alankruta Maharajadhiraj Yogiraj Srimanta Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. So, children, everyone there also echo the same thing. Victory to Shivaji Maharaj. And yes, guns were fired from one fort after the other. The guns were being fired. You can see and you can imagine what an atmosphere of joy that would be there. The whole of Maharashtra echoed with one voice, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. And this great ceremony took place in the year 1674. Now children, from that year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, the coronation calendar. He became a great king, like those in whose name people start a new era. Now, Shivaji Maharaj also struck his own coins. You can see here in this picture, children. And now, at the coronation, there were some foreign envoys, you can see in this picture, children, who were present, and the English had sent their envoy Oxygen. You can see Oxygen here, and he had valuable presents for Shivaji Maharaj. Subjects from far off areas and places had come to see the ceremony. The whole world come to know of this big event, and Shivaji's fame spread everywhere. At last, the hard work and dedication and love for the people had really borne fruits in the form of establishing himself into a firm kingdom, Swaraj. So children, at home, you can read this lesson and try to understand for your best. Kindly subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.